Okay, this is the bell tower in Perth City. From this bell you can see a massive view to the city as well as to the river. Here back with me, it's very nice view in the springtime of Perth. Australia is a very beautiful and sweet country. My daughter Hala, she just finished her year 12 exam and we brought her here just to relax after the exam. And my son Muhammad, he just finished a shift working with Coles supermarket and I think he has a good chance to relax. My two sweet daughters, Hannah and Nama, they are enjoying their time, and my wife Ines, she is looking after the family very well. We thank John for his time, experience and kindness and all of caring for us and other people.